Toolots. Reliable equipment. Fast.
Alright, so we're going to talk about how to change your Teflon protectant roll and your heating element for the foot control sealing machine. So you're going to get one spare of each when you purchase the equipment. So we're going to begin by removing our control lever. So we'll go ahead. Out. Lever. Set our spring here, and now we just have two wing nuts on top that we loosen. So we can slide it up. Once we have our scroll loose here, we just need to remove these 3 Phillips screws and pull the scroll off, and then slide our new scroll into place and attach it. So to access the heating element, we have to remove these 2 red caps. There's 2 Phillips screws, one on each side holding it in place. So we'll go ahead and remove the screws. There we go. And there's 2 screws holding each end of the heating element on. Loosen this side, pull it off, and replace your heating.
Toolots. Reliable equipment.